Hi, this is Rahul from Sai Info Solution. Sai Info Solution are recognized as one of the number one brand in project development and training since 2005. We provide project and training in various domains such as image processing, IoT, embedded system, machine learning, and many more. We have more specialization in masters and PhD also. We work with the 10,000 plus clients and students with their academic projects as well as commercial projects. Our branches are in Nasik and Pune. Today we are going to discuss the project that is conversion of PDF image to PDF. In this project we use the basic inbuilt library of Python, that is Tkinter PyPDF to PIL image to PDF. PDF are one of the most important and widely used digital media. PDF stands for a portable document format. Name implies that is portable document, means it is portable to any document like other than other documents. So converting a given image file to PDF is one of the basic requirements in various projects that we do in real life. So if you don't know how to convert given file into PDF file, then this tutorial is only for you. You will come to know the way to convert the image file to PDF file in Python. In this project, we can merge two PDFs in a single PDF, and we can split the single PDF into multi PDF. So on the screen, the program is there. Here we can import Tkinter library, PyPDF to library, and PIL also. In this, we use the convert function, split function, and other many, and we have take the buttons also. When we execute this program, we get the Tkinter output window. We maximize this window. Here we got the many buttons, radio buttons also. When we click on the load image, we get the path to open the image. Here my image is stored in the 5 projects folder. So I open this folder, select the image and upload to that. Convert to PDF is button is given to this output console. When we press the convert to PDF, it saves the which name is used to that output file. We give the name that is new, and you can give which path you want that file. So this folder, sorry, we can save it another path. Okay, you will get a pop-up message that your PDF is saved successfully. Then you click OK. You can convert, you can split one PDF to another PDF, and you can join two PDF, that is merge two PDFs into single PDF. You can reset the data by clicking the reset. That's it. It's very helpful and easy. Nothing, there is no use of rocket science, so everyone can do easily. If you are interested to purchase these projects, contact us with given number. You can follow us with Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and our YouTube channel, where you can get the more interesting topics projects like this. So thank you so much for watching this video.